There were no names or definitions when the world began. It was all, as the Hebrew Bible calls it, without form and void. Tohu wabohu. Rapidly, things formed. Quarks, electrons, protons, and neutrons. The first atomic nuclei appeared, primarily hydrogen and helium. Then, over billions of years, gravity brought together gas clouds to form stars, galaxies, and planets. On our own planet, minuscule life forms arose, becoming increasingly complex, until finally plants and animals appeared. In our very recent planetary past, rational beings emerged. These beings were able to name and define those entities which exist in our world. A tree was a tree, a planet, a quark was a quark,